Alright, it is Sunday, 9:30 a.m. We're gonna be backtesting probably a week or two. To get into it. Alright, here we are. We're here. Alright. Let's go to the 4 hour. Very choppy. Wait, what day is this? Friday. Wait, I might need to go to the next day. Yeah. Oh, thank God. Oh my. Yes, it's actually not being an idiot today, too. Alright, New York. Here we go. Whoa. Alright, wait, is that a data high? No. Do we have any data? No. Okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what we're doing. We're still very choppy. That's what I see. Hella chop. Seems like we respected something. Yeah, so ES failed to inverse this gap. NQ did end up inversing this gap. I see us probably breaking out higher, maybe to like this 4 hour right here. ES has no 4 hour. Yeah, all of ES's stuff is far. ES has a 4 hour there. That's mitigated though. If we go to anywhere, it would be there. Alright. So let me go back down to the hourly. That's like our DOL. That's our DOL, bro. We're obviously respecting bearish draws, going towards higher PD arrays. We have these stacked highs right here that we can target. All of this through all of liquidity. Alright. Now we look for an hourly gap that we can tap back into, which is like right there. That's best probably. Go to a 30-minute. We have a 30-minute low in on ES, nothing on NQ. We have a 15-minute with a 15-minute low right there. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright. So, I mean, if we open higher, I want to open lower, but if we open higher, it would have to be to those highs right there. Yes, it's close to taking out that lower draw already. Alright, so we took out the high. Are we in any spot of that we can distribute out of? No. Let's see, we didn't really do anything. We weren't in anything that was like actually everything there was pattern. I mean, if we tap into that 15 right there, we can reject out. Maybe there's like a 30. No. I mean, we just have all these stacked highs. I would like to get a cont long, but there's nothing here that's like teasing me. Like, take. Okay, now this is where it's like, this is like such a pattern trade, but like, I would take it. I feel like it plays most of the time. But the thing is, we're just adding to those draws of liquidity above. That's the thing. Like, I mean, like, this is a valid take. Go break even once, yes. Fucking, oh, there's probably like a 5-minute. Yeah. I I don't know if I want to take this. This isn't, it's not a terrible trade, but I don't think it plays fully. See, ES took, so this is where I would probably drag 1-to-1. Alright, but it still hit full TP. Alright, bang, full day. Good day. Next day. Bang. Alright, go to the 4 hour chart. We're still very choppy. Okay. ES inverse the 4 hour. NQ has these 4 hour lows here. We failed to take these highs, so we just added to the draws above, which means we could go to these lows. That's not where I wanted to put that. I wanted to put that there and one there. Then we also have this 4-hour unmitigated right here. That would be nice to tap into. Same situation on ES, just the forward might be mitigated already. There's that low, and there's that low. Those are good draws that I believe we're going to right now, because we swept out these highs and went lower on both indices inside of an hourly fair value gap. So I would just like us to tap back maybe into that. So we're very choppy here. We broke out lower. ES has a 30-minute and an hourly below. NQ does not. See, I mean, but like, I would just like to open higher. But if we open lower, we have an SMT on these lows. Yeah, I was gonna say I could see that happening. We're probably gonna take out all of these draws. Yep, just like that. ES also took it. Got a re-sweep. Like I say, now I would take a long here if we got one. But we're close to these draws also, kinda now. Alright, I'm looking for shorts now. We're in a 5-minute on NQ, but like 15 opens at 10. ES is not tapped into this 5-minute either. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Could just keep going lower. This is an unsponsored 5. Or wait, no, it's sponsored from the hourly actually. It's the first gap out of that. But I believe. But we inversed that 5, so I wouldn't even be taking it, honestly. And ES never tapped into it, so it's like kind of just very invalid. Alright, now I believe we have tapped into this gap. I'm gonna say SMT on those lows and the gap, but ES is now tapped into it. Resweep of the low on both indices. Longs are valid here at 10 o'clock. This is aligned with higher with the PO3 also. We're just not gonna get nothing though out. Like, no, because we didn't even form a breaker block. Breaker block. Okay, so that I'm gonna say we didn't inverse the 4-hour, but we just now. Dude, I don't know. There was like nothing this day. Like, yeah, I'm gonna say it kind of just dumped off open. Like, we didn't even do anything 9:30. We just went lower. Holy. Okay. So, seems like we edged that low. I would see us going back down to it. Gotta be in. Oh my god. Might actually get a little short here. It's 11 o'clock though. Would I really be on the charts this long? Probably not. We're in a 5-minute. ES inversed it. ES is in the 15. 15 closes in a little. Oh, we inversed the 15. Yep. NQ just now tapped into it. I can say NQ didn't inverse it though. Low-key, a short right here is so valid. Stops at that wick high, just to that low. And this is the only trade that I took on this day. Or that I would have. Holy edge. There we go. It wicked me out right there, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, we edged that low, which is added to the liquidity, so I kind of knew. Alright, next day. Damn, a lunch session trade? I mean, it was fire, so I'm not gonna hate. Alright, so we dumped lower. Go on this daily real quick. No, not the weekly. Wait, actually, we're in a weekly gap on both indices. Daily gap on both. 4 hour on both. We had a crazy dump. We have stacked highs. Stacked. All right here. All of that. Holy fuck. But if we zoom out, it looks like we're in a sell model currently. And to complete the sell model, we would need to sweep out some more lows, I believe. So we should look for con shorts. Like, honestly, if we're being so honest, con shorts align with the trend. I mean, we swept out this low, not on NQ, so we have an SMT on the low, technically. Right here, we swept out the low, so, I mean, if we go higher to here, I would like to open low, but I doubt that happens. In an ideal situation. We're very chopped around, so we might not even take anything on this day. But we'll go to open. Like, I really don't like much. We're about to inverse a 15. Yes, isn't. We have a 15-minute RB above. No, that's a 30-minute RB. Hell yeah. Alright. I mean, yeah, yes. I tapped into it and respected it, so. I mean, we'll just see what we do off open. Okay, open lower, sweat out low on both indices. Yes, is in that 15. NQ's in a 5. EQ the range. I mean, honestly, holy wick high destroyed in a 5-minute. Not on ES though. ES has no spotted distribution here. And tapping back into that 30-minute that we were in. Honestly, if I shorted here, it would be down to these lows. It's gonna go to that intermediate wick instead of that long ass wick, because I don't see us going to that long ass. This is a crazy short. This is very discretional of a short, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna say that was a very like crazy take, honestly, when I thought about it, because we reswept that low like 30 seconds. Oh, that's probably a beautiful 15. Yeah, I would have took this 15 too. Like, I would have took it right on that candle. This one right here. I would take this bitch right after the resweep all the way up to that 30. All the way up to that. I think it's hourly actually. Nah, it's a 30. But all these highs. Was a 4-hour up there. Dude, I kinda wouldn't mind leaving Like, I feel like we could go up to that 4 hour here. But it's fine. I'm just gonna set that like that. Well, SMT on the lows, but it's not like a crazy SMT. You're gonna. Okay. I feel like we pushed through this though. Okay, maybe not. Thing is, there's probably like a. Holy ES. ES is an hourly, so-called hourly highs. NQ did not. Yeah, honestly, this is like a valid short down to the lows that we left. But like, it's not 1-to-1. I wouldn't take it. Just take it the day to the next. Alright. We have a 4 hour RB above. Massive wick. I would like that to just send us lower. Like, honestly, that would be my higher time frame to send us lower. Probably to like these lows. These lows. Now just some like closer lows. Let's go to the 30 real quick. Yeah. I kind of just want that 4 hour RB. We open high. Oh, we have a data high on both. Just realized. So, honestly, if we sweep that out, that's fire. It's inside of a 15. NQ's far from it. ES just swept it. Reswept its high. I don't want to, I'm going to say I don't want to take anything there. No, this is where I would be open to shorting here. Like, I would be open to taking this short right here. Now, the question is, all the lows that I was thinking of are very far, but all of these are not. Ticket 1 to 2. Bang, bang. It's LRL below. Holy resweep of doom. At least we're going to the 4 hour RB now. Now this is where I know that I can just short this bitch. Look at all these rejection wicks. Resweep of the high inside of the 4 hour RB. CISD. Yeah, that's all I need. Not gonna. Actually, we'll go stop high. And we are just gonna do all of these draws. I'm not worried about any of it. Oh my god. Holy. I'm washed. Trying to. What did we come into? Nothing. We literally. Okay. Like, we have stacked, I guess, but like, it's a 4 hour RB, bro. Like, massive ass RB, by the way. Just gonna disrespect it. I mean, if we come into this discounted 4 though, shorts are low key so fire. Just like that. What time is this? 10 o'clock. I say now this is where I would short it, bro. This is so fire. Down all, bro. You could probably run all of it, bro. Like, bro. I don't know. This is something I would take, like, funded, like, for holding this long, but. Like, this is such a valid trade, bro. That literally, I was about to say that literally hits TP, but exactly the 1 to 5. Such like it's just such knowing of like where price wants to go. That's all it is. Okay, we'll do one more day and this week off. Bang. Oh wait, no, this is Thursday. Oh wait, no. Okay, yeah, this is Friday. I was about to say. Look-key a crazy ass. We started up here, bro. What a weird ass fucking week, bro. Alright. No 4 hours above. Came lower. And we still have like this trend line right here that we can take out. Yes, it's looking further up. Okay. Let me go back in now. Alright. Not really. We inversed an hourly to the upside. Like hella displacement. We're inside of a daily gap. We swept daily lows, previous daily lows. We rejected out of a daily on NQ, but these are obviously high resistant too, because we're sweeping them and rejecting higher, like that simple. I mean, but like, like shorts are valid here, but so are the longs. I feel like it's kind of weird because like, I mean, we're disrespecting a daily gap on NQ above, like obviously, but like this structure right now looks like we're about to be pumping. You know what I'm saying? We have generated, like, not generated highs, but some stacked highs here too. Oh well, I guess one. ES never swept that. That's why SMT. Yeah. I'm just looking for caught long. Is this a bro? Do we have data lows? All right, I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts. We have data lows. Data highs are already swept. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, just give me something above. Give me something above. We're in a 15-minute. That's all I need to see. Perfect. Let's just open higher. Yep, just like that. ES already swept the high and keep not. Holy SMT. Is that really what? Holy ES reswept. Yeah, I would take this 9 times out of 10. ES got the resweep. That was all that was needed. The resweep on the ES. Stop loss price. Bro, wait. Okay, thank you. And then What did I say? What did I say? Come on. Come on. Bang. I mean, this is 1 week of stats, bro. Like, nothing long. Just something I want to push out for people to watch, see how I trade, and y'all can like maybe learn from it. I don't know. Maybe. Get my analytics load. Holy. 71.4 win rate. Average RR 3, max 5. No. Like, 2 losers, 5 winners. So 7 trades on the week. Like, alright. You guys, maybe you can learn from this. I don't know. Take some hints away from this video. Like the stop hunts, that's why I lost like one trade that I remember. Needed a stop hunt, didn't get it. That last trade though, we didn't need a stop hunt because we got the stop hunt and then that's when we got it, like the dump. But NQ never even hit the level of SMT. Like just simple, you gotta be reactive. But let me know if you learned anything and if there's anything you guys want to see.